NSFAS funding, NSFAS guys. I hope you're all doing so well. On today's episode, we're gonna deal with tutorials on how to apply NSFAS bursary. For all those guys who are struggling, I'm here, don't worry. So I'm gonna take you step by step through the process of applying for NSFAS funding. Let us just start. Now, this is Google, guys. So now you type NSFAS. Here you can just type NSFAS in, then you click search. It's gonna redirect you to the NSFAS portal. Then just go to NSFAS. Just go to this website www.nsfas.organization.gov.org.za. This here, this one. Then you just click there, and it will take to this platform. Then where now you just wait for some few seconds for it to load. Yeah, still loading, guys. So now, yeah, here's the thing here. So it's applications for NSFAS 2024 funding are officially opened. They were opened yesterday and they will be closed on the 31st of January 2024. So it's best for you guys to apply as early as possible to avoid any misunderstandings. So now, yes guys, so now let me just show you how do we do it. So guys, now here's the process again. Then you just click to learn more. It's a choice. You go to click to learn more, or you click to here my NSFAS here. It's a choice. So if you click to my NSFAS, it's gonna direct you to the application site. But if you click learn more here, it's gonna direct you to this part of apply now. Then just click to apply now. After you've clicked that part of applying now, it's gonna redirect you to the site. It's very important. So now here's the thing. One there is login here, and there is create profile. So if you haven't created profile, you just come to create profile. You come here and you type your names and your first names as seen on your ID, guys. Either with the first name or first names as seen on your ID. It means you must type your name as capital letters. For example, let me just say Mpo, or Mpo. Mpo, you must just type it as capital letters. Mpo, like this, capital letters. Then your last name as seen on your ID. Your last name is your surname, basically. Mpo, let me say Balui. You must type it like this, guys. Bible. Then ID number, type your ID number 0. Then you come to your race. Race is African, Asian, colored, Indian, other, white. You can choose any race here you want that official belongs to. You can say African. Then you write your email here. You write your email. You can gmail.com. If you don't have an email, you can literally create an email right now. You can literally write an email. You can create an email from the very same site right now. It will direct you to Google. But if you have an email, you can literally type it here, or you can type your mother's email or your father's, as long as that person will be reliable next year, because you need this email next year for information from NSFAS directly to you. So it's very important to write an email that you will use even next year. Guys. So if you don't have an email, please ask someone to assist you to create an email, or you can create an email from this website. It will redirect you to Google account. Then you create your email, and please guys, then at the bottom here you write your contact details, applicant contact details or contact numbers. You write your number 076. Those numbers should be reliable in terms of SMS, because you will receive SMS from NSFAS confirming your funding next day in January, or anytime after they complete your application. Even with your email must be reliable, because they will send email and SMS to confirm your funding. So it's very important to write email and contact details that are reliable even in the next academic year or in 2024, guys. Please, that's very important. Then you click here to confirm everything. You must click it. It's a must. Click here because you must understand the terms and conditions, guys. Then you scroll down. It will come to the part of password. It's very important. Create your password in it. You can create any password that you want. You can just create something like mpo 12345 hash. And you come to confirm. If the same code, you must confirm, but you must write the very same password you've written on the above. Here you write your password. Then on this part you confirm the very same password. You just write mpo again 12345 hash. Then just click I'm not a robot. You create a profile. Then it will just create a profile. Then after you've created a profile, it will redirect you to the very same. It will direct you to this part. It will come to this part. Now I've already created a profile for someone, but I'll just show you the ins. Let us go into the profile of this person that I've created. I've already created a profile for this person, so let us go to it. After you've created a profile, then let us start with application. You haven't applied, you just created a profile, so you need to upload documents for you to confirm what you applied for NSFAS. The documents must be uploaded on the profile. It's very important. Now let us start here. So I'll just write an ID of this person, guys. When you write your very same ID that you used to create a profile with, it's very important. ID number, yeah. So guys, the ID number is very personal, hence I'm not showing it right now. Let me just write the password. Password, if you've written mpo 12345 hash, you must write the very same mpo 12345 hash. Okay. The password is very, very personal. We'll just cover it up. Okay. Yes. Let's cover it up. Okay. Yes, guys. So now I've done writing the password. Then you just log in. Okay. You press log in here. Log in. Then it will direct you to this part. Now it will come to this part, but to some others it will stay on that part after you have logged in. It will say you must update your profile, your name and surname properly. So if it says that you must update your profile there, you must just write your name and surname as capital letters as it shows on your ID. It's very important to write your name in capital letters, guys. Please, 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 please. It will direct you to this part once everything is good in terms of writing your name and surname in capital letters on the other side. Otherwise, it will not agree to come to this part if you don't write your name and surname in capital letters. So I was facing that problem in the last few minutes. Before I created a profile, it was giving problems because I did not write the name and surname in capital letters. So when I write the name and surname in capital letters for you to continue with your finding. Now, it says that, dear new applicant, are you ready to apply for funding? You say yes. Take to this part. So this is actually other agreement terms and conditions. Yeah, it's very important to read. If you have time, please read it. So now let's read. Thank you, guys. Must read these things. So for you to apply here, guys, you need who is eligible. So if you're a SASSA beneficiary, eligible. If your household annual income is 350,000 rand, above it or below 350,000, you are eligible. You need to be registered with any university. For you to receive NSFAS, you need to be registered with a university. Yeah. So now, yeah, here's the thing. For students below, they receive 350,000 annual household income. They are eligible. Those who living with disability who are registered with a higher education institution for the first time in 2018 or thereafter, and who are families with a combined annual household income of up to 300,000 are eligible. which means must be registered here. Wabo. Must be registered, guys. And if you have a beneficiary, you qualify immediately automatically. So it's very important. If you have a beneficiary, you're already accepted, guys. Then let's go to the part. You just go down, obviously. Go down there, guys. Yeah, there's too much information. You just go down and you say, come here. I have read the full university terms and conditions. You click here. I have read the full TVET terms and conditions. You click here. Then you come to accept. After you've accepted, guys, it will come to this part of NSFAS funding application. Then it says, are you living with disability? Then if you say no, you click here. If you say yes, you click here. So if you're not living with disability, but this person is not living with disability, so I'll just say no for her. Then yeah. Then highest academic level achieved, you come to this part. Highest academic level achieved, click there. It talks about maybe you're in matric or you've done with your diploma. So if you're in matric, you just write grade 12 here. Or if a degree, you just come to this part. But usually you're grade 12 again. That's why you just click grade 12. Okay. Then for which year you're applying for, obviously you're doing for again. Obviously doing for. Then you come down again. It says select 3 institutions here. Maybe that you will have to go to. Not necessarily that you're going to, but that you maybe those institutions you must love them actually, or any institution in Europe that you will love to go to. Does not matter which one. Yeah. You can choose any university here. You can choose Central Institute of Technology here. Any 3. You can choose Buffalo City College. You can choose any college. You can choose let me just check. I can choose let me just check others. There's a lot of colleges. All the colleges are here too. It's a choice, which is if you use a free state, you can choose it. No problem. Then study information. Field of study, you can choose any field of study because it does not mean what any field of study that you love or that you like or any, as long as you're choosing the option. That's the main important thing. So you can choose anything here, literally. Anything. You can choose creative health. You can choose what? Anything, literally. You can choose civil engineering, communication studies. You can choose hospitality. You just choose hospitality here. Does not matter which one you choose, as long as you're choosing something. Please choose something there. Civil engineering, construction. Then just our aim is to just pass this part. I know go to there are no many courses here. Then street name. So you need to write your address here. Bravo. The street name, you need to write your address, street name, street number, town, bravo, province. So you need street names out here again to get street number, you 1234, then street name, you Mokwetla Street, town, you can choose any town, Welcome, Copies, Sasolberg, Vereeniging, any town, as long as you select the province here. You can choose any province, Gauteng, Free State, whatsoever. In South Africa, obviously. Postal code, postal code 90 something. You must check the postal code of your town specifically. That's just postal code of Vereeniging, postal code of Sebokeng, postal, whatever, any town that you live in, then just press next there. Yeah. Yes, guys, I'll just wait for the other person that I'm applying for. I'll just write their details here. Yes, guys, so let me just write something. Let me just say 40. Street number is, I can say 4095. This is where you live, your house number is. Then street name, you can say new location. Can write anything as long as you can write Vilakazi Street, new location. You can write new location here. Location. Yeah. Then town, give out about town is welcome, the first aid here. I can write copies here. Then province is first aid, and the copies is in the first aid. Then postal code is 9540. You must search postal code for your town. Yeah? Then just go to next. Then here is the confirmation of your application details. Just confirm your details here, then you just say submit. Submit. You're not done, guys. You're not done. Then you just read here, finish edit and approve this. You just read the terms here. I accept the terms and conditions of NSFAS bursary and I will comply with the annual requirement for funding. NSFAS will email a full bursary agreement and on receipt of valid registration data. Then you just go down, 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 down. You just read here, guys, please. But there's no need for you to read, but you just try for more information about NSFAS, read those things. Yeah. You have more information about NSFAS. Then you just click here. I've read the full terms and conditions, then accept. They need to redirect you to this part. Your application is submitted successfully. Then you just view application here. So now this person, her funding is approved already. Why? Because she might be a SASSA beneficiary. So if they approve immediately, it means that you are either a SASSA beneficiary or whatsoever. Yes, guys. So I've done with the application of this person here. So what is needed for applying? What is needed for applying? They just need your ID number, and they'll just check you on the system, who is your parent and stuff like that. So don't rob the system. It will catch you, guys. Don't rob the system. It will catch you. You must just write proper information here. Wow. Please, guys, don't rob it. Don't rob the institution, actually, because they will literally catch you. Wow. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we are done. Literally, we are done. So they did not need you to upload any document. Literally. Wow. It seems to go to their system is improved right now. You don't need to upload anything. They just check your document on the system of SASSA, SARS, and Home Affairs, and you check who's your parent, how much do you guys get annually at home. So do stuff like that. Yeah. But this person is approved automatically because it is application approved, funding eligible. She's eligible for funding. She's okay. So she just need to get invested and she'll get funding. She'll get her money next day in January, in February when it comes to the university. So guys, I'm done with NSFAS. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope you know where to start. So now yes, guys, please comment on the comment section for me. Any question that you have, I will answer it on the comment section. Thank you very much. I'll just share the link on the description for you to just click there and go to the website of NSFAS. Please, guys, let me know what you need information about. Any buzzer that you need to know about, I'll just post everything about it. In the next video, I'll talk about Funza Lushaka, how to apply for Funza Lushaka bursary for teachers only. That bursary is for teachers only, guys. Yes. So I'll just share information about that. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day.